Welcome back to the SiteApex training video series. If you're following these videos in order, the last video we were building our site navigation. So we were doing that in our admin under sitemap. So today I'm going to start covering some of the editing options for your pages. So on any page on your site, in your sitemap here, doesn't matter whichever one you want to edit, you just click on the name. When you click on the name, this will bring up your actual full edit screen for this page on your site. So I just clicked on home here because I'm going to just start with this page and show you some examples. Today in this video we're going to go through the toolbar, and I'm going to inform you what these options are and what they do for your page. The very first one you see is Deactivate. Clicking this will turn off the page on your website. If you've published the page and it's a live page and you hit Deactivate and publish again, it'll actually delete the page off the menu, and it'll actually delete the file that this page is hosted on. So no one won't be able to get to this page any longer. It'll be shut down essentially. You, though, as the administrator, will be able to edit this page still and activate it again for later time. So after clicking Deactivate, I need to click Sitemap. It refreshes it. You'll see that it has a strike through on it. This means it's deactivated. When I click back to edit it, the option will switch to activate. Now that it's deactivated, if I publish the site, you'll notice it no longer publishes this page anymore, this home page. It no longer exists because I've deactivated it. I was already on the home page, but if I refresh this now, I'm going to get a oops, this page is gone, it's deleted, and that's because we deactivated it and published the site again, rebuilt it, and it's not there anymore. To reactivate it, of course, you go back to your admin, click on it to edit, and click activate, and then publish the site again. To restore that, you'll see again it brings back your home and everything underneath it. If you hit refresh again on this page, we brought it back. So a few reasons to use this. Main reason is it means you could skip deleting a page instead of, if you need to use this page again at a future date for a promotion or a seasonal thing, you can just deactivate your page to get it off your site, and then at a later date you can reactivate it instead of having to recreate it every time you delete a page. Or if there's a page that you just don't want people getting to anymore, you can just deactivate that. That's one way to get rid of it. This next option is Preview. If you click on this at any time editing your page contents and you want to see what it'll look like live on your site without actually making it live, you're going to click Preview. This will pop open a window, so make sure your pop-up blocker isn't blocking it. It'll pop open a live preview of this page, so you can scroll down and actually see everything on this page, even with your template on it and everything. And so an example of this, if I close this, if I change, say if I went and made this bold and then hit preview, you'll now see that it's bold. So it's a live preview essentially of whatever is in your editor. So that's pretty convenient. Edit, if you find when you click on the section, page, or category here and it doesn't load this edit screen, you can just click on edit right here. Also, if you've made a bunch of changes you don't like and you want to quickly just go back to what it was, you can hit edit. As long as you didn't hit save, then if you hit edit, it'll just revert back to when the first time you clicked on it. So, yeah. Delete, pretty obvious, but this will delete the page. When you click it, it will give you a warning. Are you sure you want to delete this? And I'll give you the name of this, and it'll give you yes or no option. If we wanted to continue to delete this page, we'd click yes. If we want to decline this, then we'd click no. There's an advanced option here. If you want to delete a page, but say someone may have bookmarked it, if you check this off, it'll redirect this page. If someone tries to go to it and it's deleted, it'll redirect them just to your home page of the website. So again, if they bookmarked to it and you don't know if they bookmarked it or not, a page, and you think a lot of people have visited the page, then you check this off. In this example, we're just going to click no. We don't want to delete this. Revision history, this is another important option here. It's going to let you restore back 5 versions of your saves. So every time you hit save, it's going to add a new version of the page here, and it gives them an ID number. So the current version is just current, but if I had saved this, submitted this 5 times before, there would be a list of 5 versions of it that I can preview first of all, or click restore and actually go back to a version, previous version. So pretty powerful tool. If you click submit a few times and then you really don't like it, you can go back in time essentially on that page. Make home page. Usually only do this one time when you're launching your website, but I'm going to actually do it this time just to show you. So first of all, I'm going to make this home page my home page of the site. So I'm just going to refresh this to get rid of the strike through. If I click on home and if I click on make home page, it's going to refresh the sitemap and actually put a little home icon here indicating this is my home page. When I go back and edit it, you'll now see that any page, and by the way, you can make any section, category, or page your home page of your site. Doesn't matter, you can pick which one you want to come up first. Whatever page you do that on, it's going to change the file name to index.php, and this is a default file name for all websites. Index is how the web server knows which page to pull up first on some visits. So you cannot edit this file name at this point now that it's index.php. That is a standard or a default file name for your home page. So that's what make home page does. And as mentioned, if you want to maybe have a promotion come up first as your home page for a weekend or something, you can make any of these pages your home page. The last step to make that happen, of course, once you've made home page, is to click Publish Site. And so now, if I go back to my website, delete this, and just say I was going to training.siteapex.com and hit Enter, this still comes up. Okay, hold on. What happened there? Make home page, publish, index.php. Gonna hit Enter. There we go. I think my browser was caching. So that makes your home page, and as mentioned, you can make any other page your home page if you wish. Gonna go back to Edit. Clicking on this here. We covered Add Category. This is if when you're clicked on a section, this option here is going to say Add Category, so you can add a second level underneath it, like we explained in the previous video. And then if you clicked on a category, that icon changes to Add Page, so you're going to be able to add a page underneath this category. The last option on this menu is Help, and this is a direct link to the page editing tutorials on our support.siteapex.com website. So if you click this, it's going to open up into our support website, and it's going to go right to the page editing category, and here's a list of all the articles covering all the topics we're going to be going through in the next couple of videos. And so essentially right to your page editing help, and if you close that, you'll go back here. So that's a direct link to that. So that's the editor toolbar. I hope that helps explain what all those items do, and thanks very much. See you in the next editing video.